You want to speak English and you say you practice, but the problem is if the words are not leaving your mouth, you're not speaking English. You're just maybe thinking about speaking English or something. And I'm not here to upset you or call you out. I'm here to help you. Because today I want to do something different. Today, I want to give you an opportunity to practice spoken English, but low pressure. No stress. We're going to take some very realistic, relatable situations and we're going to play dialogues. They are already written. I made them for you. All you have to do is just read it with me. And your goal is to make it sound as natural as possible. We need to make it sound like a real conversation, okay? You don't have to create anything. You don't have to think about anything. Just take the words and make them your own. All right, if you're ready, let's begin. And the first situation is ordering food at a fast food restaurant. So let's begin. Hi, welcome in. Are you ready to order? Sure. Would you like anything to drink? Of course. Small, medium, or large? Anything else? Great. Your total is $12.50. The second situation is at the doctor's office. Get ready. Hi, what brings you in today? I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have? How long has this been going on? Have you taken anything for it? Okay, I'd like to check your throat and temperature. If you are ready to transform your pronunciation, I would like to invite you officially to my online course, Pronunciation Hacking. This course has exactly what you need, and here's why. First, you fix your problem sounds. I'll guide you through every sound and what you need to do specifically, step by step, so you can master those tricky sounds, and people will understand you from the first try. You will master stress and intonation. You will learn how to sound natural and real and fluent and not like a robot. You'll receive personalized guidance from me on how to fix your problems and continue making progress. This course is designed to deliver fast, noticeable results, so you'll see a real transformation in weeks. And here's the best part. When you join our standard or pro package, you get access to our exclusive pronunciation challenge. The challenge is not just about learning, it's about making this process fun, interactive, and motivating. And as you earn points, you get to win some amazing prizes. This is your chance to improve your pronunciation while competing, connecting, and having fun with other learners. So which of today's hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear about your progress. And if you're ready to make pronunciation your strength, check out my online course, Pronunciation Hacking, right now. Join the course, enter the challenge, and let's transform your pronunciation together. And we're starting very soon. And our last situation is talking about summer plans with a friend. Let's do it. So do you have any plans for this summer? Nice. Do you know where you want to go? Are you going alone or with friends? What kind of trip are you hoping for? Oh, that sounds perfect. You definitely need a break. All right, great job today. As you could see, it was pretty easy to do. However, you are training, you are practicing, even though you're not creating these sentences on your own. You are getting a bit more confident and you are, like I said, training the situational awareness and the muscle that you need in order to have those real conversations. So come back to this video every now and again to do it again. And if you like this type of format, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make more, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.